Alright my friends, in the last video we have added our markup for the navigation and also placed some React router, and it was working pretty good. Now it's time for us to style it so we can see some, at least not this ugly navigation on the screen. So what I have created an empty navbar.css file. Feel free to go ahead and add any style that you wish. In our case, I'm just gonna start to deal with it as a normal CSS that you can add for any HTML stuff. Alright, so first of all, I'm gonna select all of these tag or these classes. So the header nav, and also we have the header list, the header underscore list, and also we have the header item. Maybe we are gonna use it, header item, do it like that. And also we have forget to assign a class for the link, right? If you remember that, I'm just gonna add this class, which is the header link. So here what I'm going to do, I'm gonna select the opening for the link like this. I have selected the opening tag only for the link, and I'm gonna hit Command and D, and you can click Control and D on your Windows. So I have selected all these 4 links. I'm gonna write in all of them a class name, and I'm just gonna give it the header link class like this. I have just added a class name for all of these links. Going back right here, what I'd like to do, I'd like just to give it a width like 100 or 80%. I'm just gonna say margin to be, we can center it. Alright, so I'm just gonna say 0 by auto, and lastly I'm just gonna say the display to be flex like this. And let's check it out. Okay, nothing got changed. Oh, does our classes works? So header nav, and here header nav, that should work. Alright, so for some reasons it is not working. Okay, of course, because I haven't imported right here. So I'm just gonna say import navbar.css like that, and if we switch back, we can see the changes got applied. So what I'd like to do now, I'm gonna go ahead and style the list. It's the list here itself. What I'm going to do, I'm just gonna say list style to be none. We can get rid of these ugly dots. I'm just gonna say display to be flex, and I think that's it. Yeah, because we have some margin and padding right here, so I'm just gonna get rid of them. So margin 0 and padding also 0. All right, it will make the navigation start with the form right here in the same line. All right, and now here is our, I'm just gonna add margin 0 by 1.2 rem. It will add a margin from all sides. All right, it is not the best way of adding margin, but I really don't want to waste our time on the style part. All right, and here I'm just gonna get rid of the decoration, say none, and also change the color to be black. And here maybe we need some margin from the top to be 2 rem like that. And we got it like this, crystal clear, and it is working as well. So once again, I don't want to confuse ourselves with the style. As long as we have something is displayed on the screen, then we are good to go. By the way, I'm gonna give you the final style for this thing right here, so you can go ahead and use it as you wish. All right, so as you can see, ladies and gentlemen, in this video we have just added a very basic CSS to our navigation. Now what is the next step? In the next step, we are gonna get back to Redux and start talking about the saved reducer, what we want to do with the saved, how we are gonna structure it, and so on. So hopefully that makes sense. Thank you, my friends, so much for watching. See you in the next one.